Hey YouTube, I'm a Viking here with another video update for you today. I know it's been a while, but I've been doing some research on over unity magnet motors, magnet over unity motors, and people say that free energy isn't possible because it requires an input, or there's no input that has an infinite amount of power source to it, but I feel like that might actually not be true. If you time it right, there could be a possibility that anything's possible, all right? So this is just a little hot glued system that I got here. I'm sure it's not 100% precise. One of the arrangements I had, I even made this spin up to 4 minutes, so that'll be in the next video. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to thumbs up this video and be sure to let your friends know that there is a way. If there is a will, there's a way, right? So this is a sacred geometry flywheel that kind of... Okay, so I'm able to build these flywheels, right? Nobody else can. You're going to have to look into my other videos to learn how to build these flywheels. There's magnets inside of the flywheel here, and the polarity of each magnet extends out onto the screw. So you get long rotation time. I'm going to have to fix this real quick. Alright, so what's nice about this design is it actually goes together very easy. I just kind of put these together. I made these pieces all separately, and I noticed that they could all go together and synchronize. So for the next video, this whole thing is going to have a nice tune-up look to it. So I'll add a little music in for this spin so that way you guys don't get bored of watching. Alright, so, oh, by the way, there's a magnet right there as well. So it evens out on both sides. It's really cool. See that? Alright, so I'll give you a little demonstration spin on how it works. Alright, now is that cool or what? Now if you look into the works of Marko Rodin, this is a perfect concept of how his magnetic over unity device works in a solid state form, but I'm bringing the mechanical form to life. You can use flywheel energy still because magnetic repulsion exists. You can make smaller flywheels. I mean, they have all kinds of different methods of creating these flywheels, right? So that's just how this little device works when it's not connected to the top magnet. Now when I connect to the top magnet, and just a little closer, now I'll play some music for you guys. Let me know what you think. All right. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. So far we got what, like 2 minutes? So for the next video we're going to aim for 4 minutes. And then eventually it should be able to run forever. Alright, be sure to subscribe. Peace.